Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 7 for the subject of mathematics, topic statistics, which is covered in data handling of your textbook, and it is submitted to you on 25th January 2021. Students, in the previous lesson, we have discussed about the frequency distribution table, the mean and the mode. Today we will discuss how can we find the median. So to find the median, the first step is that we have to arrange the given data either in ascending order or in descending order. Then we count the number of observations, that is n. In finding the median, we denote the number of observations by small n. Then we counting the number of observations and we see if n is odd, then the median will be n plus 1 upon 2 observation. We will discuss this in the questions also. Next, if n is even, then the median will be n upon 2 th plus n upon 2 plus 1 th whole upon 2. This th represent the observation. How? For this, let us discuss an example. The first question is, find the median of the given data. And the data is 14, 18, 12, 9, 3, 5, 11, again 11, 19 and 2. These are the observations given to you. So the first step in finding the median, that we will arrange the given data in ascending order. You can also arrange the given data in descending order. So on arranging it in ascending order, we get 2, 3, 5, 9, 11, again 11. If some observations are repeating, so we will also repeat in the ascending or descending order also. Then 12, 14, 18 and 19. Now the first step is done. That is, we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now let us count the number of observations, and we have found that the number of observations are 10. And we know that 10 is an even number. And if the number of observations are even, then the formula for the median is n upon 2 th plus n upon 2 plus 1. Children, one thing keep in mind that this 2 is in the denominator of n only, not in the 1. Then th whole upon 2. Now let us put the values. What is n here? N is 10. So put the value 10 upon 2 th plus 10 upon 2 plus 1 th upon 2. Now this gives us fifth and this gives us 5 plus 1, that is 6th. Now what we will do, the data we have arranged in ascending order, from that data we will see the 5th term and 6th term and then put this value here only. Now the 5th observation is 11 and the 6th observation is also 11. So on adding 22 we get, and on dividing by 2, 11. So the median we got is 11. Median is the observation which always located in the middle position. Fine. Now the next question is, find the median of 8, 3, 4, 6 and 5. So the first step is to arrange the data in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So on arranging in ascending order, we get 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Now let us count the number of terms, and on counting these are 5. Now 5 is not divisible by 2. It means it is an odd number. So now the formula for odd observations, that is median, is equals to n plus 1 whole upon 2 th. Now what is n? That is 5. 5 plus 1 gives you 6 upon 2, that is third. Now we will see the third term in the ascending order arranged data. And what is the third term? Yes, this is the third term, that is 5. So median is 5. Next question is, find the median of first 15 natural numbers. First 15 natural numbers. Now the natural numbers start from 1 and we have written all the natural numbers up to 15. Now these are 15 natural numbers. So n is equals to 15, which is an odd number. So the formula for odd, that is equals to n plus 1 whole upon 2 th. Now n is 15. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2, that is 8. Now, what is the eighth observation? In the ascending order arranged data. So, that is also 8. So, the median will be 8. Clear? Now, students, we are done with the topic median. Now, we are going to start a new chapter, that is perimeter and area. This chapter is on page number M3 in your textbook. So let us start our topic. Children, in the lower classes also we have already done the perimeter and area of some figures. Today we will discuss the perimeter and how can we find the perimeter of quadrilateral, of square and of rectangle. So let us start. First of all, what is a quadrilateral? This is a four-sided figure. Four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this figure is also closed. So children, a four-sided closed figure is called quadrilateral. This example I have shown you. This A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Now children, we know that the perimeter of any closed figure is the sum of length of all sides. So in case of quadrilateral also, the perimeter will be sum of length of all sides of the quadrilateral. So what will be the perimeter? That is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. But if it is given that the four-sided polygon is a rectangle, then how will we find the perimeter? Now we know that rectangle is a quadrilateral having opposite sides equal. See this figure? This is a four-sided closed figure. So this is a quadrilateral. Now this is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides, this is one pair and this is the other pair of opposite sides, and they are also equal. If this is L, this will also be L, and if this is B, this is also B. This is length and this is breadth. So if we find the formula for the perimeter, we will add all the sides, that is L plus B plus B. So now L plus L will give you 2L, B plus B, that is 2B. And on taking 2 as common, we get 2 into L plus B in the bracket. So the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Clear? The next question is, a rectangular field is 30 meter long. Long means length 30 meter is given to you. And 25 meter broad means breadth 25 meter is given to you. What is the length of the wall which will enclose it? Means we have to find the total length of the wall. So what we will do? We will find its perimeter. And what is the formula for the perimeter? That is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now we have to put the values for length and breadth, and on simplification the perimeter we got is 110 meter. Clear? Now the next question is, find the length of a rectangular field if its perimeter is 240 meter given to you and breadth is 52 meter given to you. Now children, perimeter is given to you and breadth is given to you. First of all, write down the formula for the perimeter of rectangle. That is equals to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now perimeter we know that is 240. Breadth we know that is 52 meter. Now we have to find the length of a rectangular field. Now what we have done, 2 is getting multiplied here. When it gets shifted, it will get divided. So we get 120. Now 52 is getting added here. So in the left hand side, it will get subtracted. So length we got that is 68 meters. Clear children? Next is, a rectangular field is 42 meter long and 38 meter wide. Again, this is breadth and this is length. If Raman runs around the field twice means he is running around the field 2 times, and we have to find the distance he covered in 2 rounds. Now see here, if I start from here and ends at here, it completes my 1 round, which is equals to the perimeter. So it means if Raman is running around the field twice, that is 2 times, it means first of all we will find the perimeter and then multiply it with 2. So first of all we will find the perimeter. Formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now length is 42 meter, breadth is 38 meter. So on solving, perimeter we got is 160 meter. Now this is for how many rounds? For 1 round. Now for 2 rounds we have to find out. So it means we will multiply it with 2. And what we get? We get 320 meter. Clear? Now let us discuss what is a square. Square is also a quadrilateral which is closed, having 4 sides, and all the sides of square is always equal. Always keep in mind that the all 4 sides of a square are equal. Now, the perimeter will be what? Side plus side plus side plus side, because we know that perimeter is sum of length of all sides. So how many times I am adding the side? 4 times. So what can I write? 4 multiply side. So the formula for the perimeter of a square is 4 multiply side. Clear? Now let us move to the next question. That is, a square has a perimeter of 24 centimeter. Means now perimeter of square is given to you and side we have to find out. So now the perimeter formula for a square, which is equals to 4 multiply side. Now the perimeter is 24. We have to find what? Side. So what we will do? We will shift 4 to the left hand side. Now it is getting multiplied here. When it will shifted, it gets divided. So the side we got is 6 centimeter. Clear? Now children, the next question is, find the cost of fencing a square field of side 35 meters at the rate of rupees 40 per meter. Now children, fencing means you are making a barrier around a square field. So it means what we will find out? We will find the perimeter first, because the total cost we have to find out. So first of all, total length we should have. Now side of a square is given to you, that is 35 meter. So formula for the perimeter of square is 4 multiply side. Now what is side? That is 35. And on multiplying we get 140 meters. Now children, in fencing, the cost for 1 meter is given to you, that is 40 rupees. And what was the total length of the square field? That is 140 meter. So it means for 1 we have given, and for 140 meters we have to find out. So what we will do? We will do the multiplication and we get 5,600 rupees. So this is the total cost of fencing the square field. Now children, this is the homework for you. You have to do exercise 1C. Only question number 1, page DH 16. And then on page number M5, you have to do exercise 1A full. Clear, children? Now I hope perimeter is clear to you. Thank you, children.